So, hey guys, my name is Manas and you're watching Manas Tech Hub. And in this particular video, in this particular stream or video, if you watch later, so we are going to enable, we are going to build one of the important feature. Actually, I have built the review system entirely from in my app. Uh, just give me the second. Let me. Okay, this is a deployed version. If you see in Grok free app, and if I visit localhost, then I'm going to show you the application. Wait for a bit. Okay, once it will get load, our project will be take some time to get loaded. Uh, After clicking on that, you can see this application can make the code or backend application also, and we have integrated review tab also. We have integrated GitHub system, download system is also there. So that makes is different from other apps. But right now we are not going to do that. I have already done. So what we are going to do, we are going to set up Super Blaze auth client. If you barely visit, the first thing that I need to check, let me reload for once. Okay, where is my live stream? Okay, is it here? Yep. Just a second. Okay, so guys, if you really visit the Lovable or Bold, in that application, they will be have connected the database system. Using that system, you can connect your app with the database, so it can be the full stack application whenever you connect your app to the database. So that's why I'm going to add the authentication, or not authentication system. We are going to add the auth application inside Superbase. So how I'm going to do that? So first thing, you need to click on this particular section. You know, type your app URL. First thing is your website URL. So for that, right now I'm developing this app. So I seriously don't want to deploy that on a Vercel or anywhere on internet. So I'm using ngrok. Ngrok is one of the best solution that I have found for deploy your developing application. You just need to download that, but it's free plan. Only you can deploy one application at a time. So after you running this, so this particular token is expire whenever you watch that on later. And barely, if my real suggestion is, uh, use your own things, uh, if you are a good developer. Okay. So after that, you just need to run this command on your command line and change that to 8082 according to your local host. So right now I'm on 3000, so that's why I'm using the 3000 command. Let me tell you this particular thing. Okay, and after running that, you will be see this kind of system, and you are going to, basically your local host or your application will redirect to the local host to the deploy version forwarding system, vice versa. Okay, then where we are, yep. After that, you need to provide your callback URL, the route uh, endpoint that you use for to get calls and put calls on Superbase, and just like that, receive and post or get, just like that. Okay, and then do not change any other thing rather than this project. You can use the read, and that's it. You just need to confirm. You will be show your client ID and client secret also, that you will be never gets share with anyone. So that's why I'm hiding it out from you guys. So if you've done with that part, then it's good. We are good to go. Right now, the next thing, and by the way, I'm doing this whole thing using the chat GPT. If you are curious how I'm going to do that, then let me give you one good example. Okay, so here we are. The first thing I've discussed with ChatGPT is I want to develop this kind of functions. Just like that, I have discussed with ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will give me and architecture, how you can build that, and all that stuff. Okay, then the next thing, first I'm going to put the entire prompt on my agent in this particular section, and it's not gonna work. So divide these things in a different parts, so it can so we can uh, go step by step, and this thing is also not gonna work. So I'm telling you the different prompts for that. So it will be giving me the 10 different steps from we are doing increasing manner. So first we build UI, then trigger, then integration, routing, ports, posts, post, gate, and blah blah blah. Okay, and then the main part is coming up. How should we get this kind of credentials? Superbase auth client, secret, redirect URL, and all that part. So for that, you're expected. Okay, so कॉल बैक वर्क्स. ठीक है, अभी के लिए इसको थोड़ा सा साइड में रख देता हूँ मैं, एंड ये जो है मैं ऑपस्ट्रीम पार्ट करूँगा. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी आर गेटिंग इज अवर what part, ngrok is done. And yep, so right now we want our superbase service role key. So we will be getting that from inside your superbase project setting API. So service role key, open your superbase project, open your superbase projects, and here we find out some settings. Left sidebar project settings, left sidebar project settings, left sidebar project settings. So we are not okay. Organization team, is that here anywhere? No, project settings are not there. Okay, so let's go. Sometimes click API, scroll down the section project API key. So if we go on this particular project setting or scroll down, project ID is there. Did you guys see any kind of project overview? Okay, team integrations. If we go inside integrations, use organization setting, general data privacy, वगैरह वगैरह, danger zone, security, auth app is done, auth, uh, project settings, left sidebar, click API, scroll down section. uh, ठीक है, that's it. So this is the entire system that I built using the ChatGPT. So okay, मैं जो है अभी इसको upstream जाके करना पसंद करूँगा, because this is the one of the important thing that you will be securely uh, do with your project. Just for a bit, if I go new project, advanced configuration, security options, data plus API, I'm not getting that. ठीक है, एक्सपांडेड रहने देता हूँ उसको मैं. बिलिंग अभी कुछ इशू नहीं है, ठीक है. बट that's it. That's it for this particular stream. I want this stream is quite short as possible, because you guys are don't watch the long stream, that's why. And make sure that you can use the headphones for better mic quality. Sorry for that. And if you don't subscribe this channel, subscribe that, and I will see you next video. In the next video, most probably we are going to connect the Figma, and in the okay, let's see how I'm